Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll discuss how we can create a Mailchimp form and can use on our website. So in our previous tutorial we were discussed that how we can create an API key. Okay, so now we are going to create a form for our email campaign and we can use on our website. So in that case, you just need to log in your Mailchimp account. Okay, and once you logged in, you can see in the left side where there is an option for campaign, right? So just click on all campaign option. You can see there is an option for all campaign. Okay, so you can see reach your audience in minutes. So we just need to create a campaign first. So just click on create a campaign. Okay, now you can see this is for design email. So let's first of all create need to create this one. So just click on design email. We can do this later, actually, no problem at all. First let's create a form first. So you can see in the left side for sign up form. Okay, so once you click on sign up form, you can see these three options. One is the embedded form, this is for pop-up form, and the last one is for a sign up landing page. And these three are looks like a email template. Okay, this is for this is landing page you can create, this is automation, and this is our email template, right? So you can see email template. Now we're going to create a form, so we will just embed the form into our website. So in that case we need to click on embedded form option. So just click on here. So once you click on here, you can see these kind of things, right? Okay, you can see. So just click on begin. Okay, so once you now you can see, so it looks like a demo. Okay, it's a default email fields we can use on your website. If you would like to add a multiple fields, you can. So here you can, like this, first name, last name, phone number as well. Okay, whatever you need, you can see email address, first name and last name. Okay, so email address is the default, that's why it's already selected. But actually we don't need first name and last name as we are collecting the emails for the email campaign, but you can use as per your need. So I don't need that as of now, I need only email, that's it. So once I done, just click on continue button. Okay, now you can see, so this is the this is entire embedded form code. We just click on here to copy this code, and we can paste it over the website where we want to display. Okay, so let's first of all I'm going to add this form in our contact us page, suppose. So in that case I need to edit our contact us page first. After that we can paste our embedded code into this page. Okay, so it looks like it's loading. Okay, I think I need to log in first. Okay, let's log in. Okay, then go to your contact us page. Okay, go to your pages. Actually where you want to display the form, you can just paste it the embedded code over there. So I am going to add this code on our contact us page, right? So you can see there are two contact us page. Let's see, this looks like is a contact. So this one, just edit this page first, and also you can add this embedded code into your file, right? In a PHP file, like a contact us .php file, and wherever you need. So as of now I am just going to add this code in the backend. So this is our WordPress backend area. So I already copied again, so it's copied, you can see, just pasted over there in that. So when you paste it, make sure it should be on text mode, right? So just paste it. Now you can see I just pasted over there. and update. Okay, now once update, just view this page. Now you can see our email campaign, email field with subscribe button is appearing over there. Okay, we can also remove this branding option actually. Okay, so this is the thing, we can easily create a form, and we can use this code into our WordPress website, or any website you can use. Also you can see there are multiple options to adding the form, like this, like a pop-up, like a embed. Okay, you can see this is for embedded form builder. So if you would like to display the display form in a pop-up, so you have to choose this one, pop-up form. So that's it, you can see this is our content. Now you just need to add your custom css to styling this form better. Okay, thank you.